Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable Windows 10 or Windows 11 login password and then screen lock. So if each time your Windows PC screen is locked, and then the next thing is your Windows prompted you to type in your password to confirm your username, then this video is going to walk you through how you can remove the sign in option and then be able to sign into your Windows PC automatically. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable Windows login password and lock screen sign in option, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, then tap the user command. The user command is netplwiz, that is netplwiz, then click on it or run the command as administrator. Now come here, select the user you want to disable Windows 10 or Windows 11 password login on, and then uncheck user must enter username and password to use this computer. After that, go ahead and click on apply and then OK. However, if the feature to allow user to enter username and password to use this computer is missing, this is what you need to do. Go ahead, click on the start button again, search for command prompt. Now, after command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Then you should see your Windows 10 or Windows 11 command prompt open. Now, paste the command you copied from the video description and click on the enter button. Then you should see the operation completed successfully. Once you see operation completed successfully, type exit and click enter to close the command prompt. Now go ahead and close the user account. Click on start button again, search for the user account command. Then click on it to run it as administrator. Once you run the user account as administrator, now locate the user you want to remove password from, click on it. Then you should say user must enter username and password to use this computer. Then go ahead and uncheck. Then click on apply. You'll be prompted to type in the user password. Go ahead and confirm the password. Then click on OK. Once you typed OK, go ahead and click on OK again from user account. Once you click on OK, you can now go ahead, restart your PC. Then when next this user is about to log into your Windows computer, the user is going to log in automatically. So that is basically how to disable Windows 10 or Windows 11 login password and screen lock. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.